Welcome to the ASEAN-Japan Centre, or AJC, an international organization composed of the ASEAN Member States and Japan. ASEAN, the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, is made up of Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos PDR, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. In line with the ASEAN-Japan Common Agenda and the Sustainable Development Goals, the AJC's activities focus on promoting trade, investment, tourism, and people-to-people exchanges. The establishment of the ASEAN-Japan Centre in 1981 was based on the Fukuda Doctrine, announced in 1977 by then Prime Minister of Japan, Takeo Fukuda. The Fukuda Doctrine pledged that Japan would build heart-to-heart relationships and work hand-in-hand as equal partners with the ASEAN member states. It has served as the foundation of Japan's diplomatic principle towards Southeast Asia until today. To realize the Fukuda Doctrine, the AJC has been serving as a bridge to strengthen the partnership between the ASEAN member states and Japan for over 40 years. In 2023, ASEAN and Japan celebrated the 50th year of friendship and cooperation. This Golden Jubilee reaffirmed that ASEAN and Japan will continue to cooperate with each other as equal partners based on mutual trust. The AJC will continue our various activities to further develop ASEAN-Japan relations in the next 50 years. The AJC focuses on enhancing trade, investment, tourism, and people-to-people exchanges among the ASEAN member states and Japan. It believes in the power of heart-to-heart connections among people to create meaningful change.
The AJC is guided by key political commitments for ASEAN-Japan relations, including the Joint Vision Statement on ASEAN-Japan Friendship and Cooperation, the ASEAN Community Vision 2025, and the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). We collaborate closely with the Japanese government, the embassies of ASEAN member states, as well as their representative offices of trade, investment, and tourism promotion in Japan and ASEAN.
In the area of trade and investment, we organize various programs and activities such as trade missions, business matching, or high-level investment forums that lead to new partnerships and sustainable economic growth in both ASEAN and Japan. We also conduct seminars and market research on topics that are in the interest or strategic priorities of the ASEAN member states, with a particular focus on women-led MSMEs, digitalization, green economy, blue economy, and creative economy.
Tourism is important to the economies of ASEAN. We promote sustainable, responsible, and inclusive tourism that benefits the environment and the well-being of local communities. We also organize various capacity-building programs for the people in the tourism industry and events for the people in ASEAN and Japan. Through our programs and events, we hope to encourage people to explore, appreciate, and respect the diverse culture of ASEAN member states.
Our people-to-people exchanges, including leadership, programs, and cultural activities, build lasting bonds and mutual understanding. In 2023, about 8,000 elementary and high school students across ASEAN-Japan region were engaged through our ASEAN-Japan Young Environmental Leaders Network, and more than 30,000 individuals in the ASEAN region follow its social media account today. By empowering youth and communities, we are paving the way for a better future.
We conduct a range of communication activities and produce content with two purposes: to raise awareness about ASEAN and ASEAN-Japan relations, and to enhance the heart-to-heart connections among the people. For example, ASEANpedia is our tool for promoting ASEAN among Japanese people, especially the younger generation. We also organize engaging campaigns that promote collaboration and bring people together from across the ASEAN-Japan region. Follow us on social media and let's stay connected.
At the ASEAN-Japan Centre, we believe in the power of collaboration between people and nations. Our commitment is to empower individuals by embracing diversity and unlocking their full potential. With a team of skilled professionals from varied backgrounds, we work to ensure that the people of Japan and ASEAN can thrive together in peace and prosperity. Through strategic effort in trade, investment, tourism, and the people-to-people exchange, we are driving a brighter future for our region and beyond.